Anyone who says plant-based cooking is boring needs to check out this amazing stuffed pepper recipe. This is really simple. Basically, we're just building a quinoa salad that we're gonna stuff our peppers with. We have some chickpeas, black beans, we're gonna top it with our cauliflower crumble, some peppers, some red onions, a little bit of fresh cilantro, and we're ready to go.
All right, let's get started. And one good trick for these ones, we can use the bottom to stuff and the top we'll go and chop it up and throw it in our mix.
And what I'm doing basically is just taking the seeds out of the pepper and the guts and the stuff that you don't want, and that's what we'll use to put our filling in. So what I do is I just kind of eyeball the amount of ingredients that I am putting in. It's kind of just based on your preference.
Once that is done, we chop off some onions, some of our beautiful smelling and tasting garlic, and some of the cilantro. Mix it all together with all the other ingredients.
It's nice because the beans just give it that extra protein kick. Beautiful. I'm gonna add in a little bit of honey for sweetness. Some olive oil, some white balsamic, and some salt and pepper. And I'll get you to squeeze some lime.
All right.
Thank you. It's our white balsamic. Perfect. Now I think we're ready to stuff our peppers.
Let's start stuffing.
All right, so we're just gonna take a heaping spoonful of our stuffing and just till it's about at the top, and then I'll get you to follow with our cauliflower crumble. I love these because the recipes are so interchangeable. You can use quinoa or rice as your base and really just fill it with whatever you want. And then you have a nice quick dinner in about 45 minutes.
And you know what? I have a little bit of vegan mozzarella here as well.
Throw it on.
All right, do you want to throw it in the oven?
Sounds good. So these are gonna go in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes. There's nothing boring about these stuffed peppers.